The iPhone 17 Air is creating a lot of buzz, and now, thanks to some new leaked images, we finally get to see just how different it really is compared to the current iPhone 16 Plus. If you thought the iPhone 16 Plus was already slim, wait until you see what Apple might be planning next. Photos shared online show a black dummy unit of the upcoming iPhone 17 Air placed side by side with the iPhone 16 Plus, and honestly, it makes the 16 Plus look like it went on a junk food binge. The 17 Air is rumored to be just 5.4mm thick. For comparison, the iPhone 16 Plus measures 7.8mm. On paper, that 2.4mm difference might not seem like a big deal, but when you actually see both models together, the difference is shocking. It's like Apple took the 16 Plus and hit the deflate button. This ultra-thin design is reportedly Apple's answer to declining Plus model sales. The Plus versions haven't really taken off since they were introduced with the iPhone 14, and Apple seems ready to shake things up with a whole new direction. But with that sleek new profile comes some big trade-offs to make the iPhone 17 Air. The slim, Apple has had to cut back on a few things. First up, the camera. Instead of the usual dual or triple lens setups, the iPhone 17 Air is said to come with just one rear camera. Most likely, it'll be the 48-megapixel sensor that's already in the $599 iPhone 16e. So while it's not a terrible camera, it's definitely a step down from what you'd get in the Pro or even standard models. And that's not all. The ultra-thin design might also cost you a second speaker, and more importantly, a big chunk of battery life. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to pack only a 2800 mAh battery. To put that in perspective, even the Galaxy S25 Edge, which is also thin at 5.8 meters, comes with a 3900 mAh battery, and that was already considered small. So if you're thinking of grabbing the 17 Air, keep in mind that battery life probably won't be its strong point. This might be the sleekest iPhone yet, but it also might need to stay close to a charger throughout the day. Now, to be fair, it's not all bad news. The iPhone 17 Air is still expected to deliver a beautiful 6.7-inch OLED display. And for the first time, Apple may finally bring promotion to a non-Pro model. That means you could get a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling smoother and gaming more responsive. It's a feature that's been requested for years, and it looks like Apple might finally be listening. So while you're giving up some things in the hardware department, you are still getting a premium display experience. And for many users, that might be enough. There's also the question of price. Right now, rumors suggest the iPhone 17 Air will start at around $899, which is right in line with the current iPhone 16 Plus. But don't be surprised if Apple decides to charge a bit more. After all, it's a brand new model with a cutting-edge design, and if there's one thing Apple knows how to do, it's market thin as premium. Samsung pulled a similar move with the Galaxy S25 Edge. That phone is just 5.8 meter thick, and yet it's priced $100 higher than the S25 Plus even. Though it has fewer features and a smaller battery, Apple could very well follow the same playbook, charging more simply because the design looks futuristic. At the end of the day, the iPhone 17 Air is shaping up to be Apple's boldest iPhone redesign in years. It's incredibly slim, stylish, and might appeal to those who care more about aesthetics than battery size or multi-lens cameras. But for power users, the sacrifices might be a deal breaker. The full iPhone 17 lineup, including the Air, is expected to be officially revealed this September. Until then, we'll likely see more leaks, rumors, and comparisons. But one thing is already clear. Apple is once again pushing the boundaries of design, even if it means giving up a few practical features along the way. So, would you buy the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air if it means giving up battery life and an extra camera? Or would you stick to a chunkier phone with better performance? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest Apple news. Thanks for watching.